Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
What good is that doing? Perfectly square. We got our square in here.
You know your vehicle's old when you control it with a goddamn Game Boy.
Oh! Oh my god! I felt like...
We got the Dodge Dirt Ram custom lollipop cherry flavor hood ornament because you know it's sweet as fuck. Installed by that guy.
True, motherfuckers.
Okay, right out of the gate, I biffed her.
Minimum damage turned into maximum destruction.
Full cheech.
Got the ball joints on, steering is friggin' tighter as ever, goes straighter as ever.
Those pedals make you go faster. Oh, she doesn't like that. Oh, she's a bit choo-choo.